Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the book. Looks like today we're doing puzzle number 47. If we start with this box, we're missing 2 and 3. We've got a 3 here, so 2, 3. For this box, we're missing 3, 5, and 8. We've got 5 and 8 here, so this is our 3. I don't see any other help. So 5, 8, 5, 8. For this column, we're missing 1, 2, and 9. We've got a 2 here, so 1, 9. No help here, 1, 2, 9. Same here, 1, 2, 9. For this column, we're missing 3, 5, and 9. We've got 3 and 9 here, so this is our 5. 9 here, so 3, 9. For this column, we're missing 2 and 3. We've got a 3 here, so 2, 3. For this bottom row, we're missing 2 and 4. We've got a 2 here, so 4, 2. For this box now, we're missing 4 and 6. We've got a 4 here, so 6, 4. For this row now, we're missing 1, 5, and 8. We've got a 5 here, so 1, 8, and no help here, 1, 5, 8. For this row, we're missing 6 and 7. We've got a 7 here, so 6, 7. For this top row, we're missing 4, 6, and 8. No help here, 4, 6, 8. 6 here, so 4, 8. 4 here, so 6, 8. For this row, we're missing 1, 3, 8, and 9. We've got 3 and 9 here, so 1, 8. 9 here, so 1, 3, 8. 3 here, so 1, 8, 9. But if we look, the only place the 3 can be in that row is here. For this row, we're missing 1, 2, 5, and 9. We've got 2 and 9 here, so 1, 5. 5 and 9 here, so 1, 2. And that 9 here, so 1, 2, 5. And now if we look at that row, the only place the 9 can be is here. And that 9 makes this our 1, 2. That 1 makes this our 8. That 1 and 8 makes this our 9. For this row now, we're missing 1, 5, 6, and 8. We've got 1 and 8 here, so 5, 6. Just the 8 here, so 1, 5, 6. 6 here, so 1, 5, 8. And still just the 6 there, so 1, 5, 8. For this row, we're missing 3, 5, 7, and 8. We've got a 3 and 5 here, so 7, 8. Just the 7 here, so 3, 5, 8. 3 and 7 here, so 5, 8. So that means the only place the 7 can be in that row is here. And the only place the 3 can be is here. If we look at this box now, we're missing 4, 6, and 9. We've got 4 and 9 here, so this is our 6. Now that we've got this 6 and 8, that makes this our 4, which means this is our 9. Let's see, that 4 makes this our 8, 6. Let's do some cleanup. With that 8, we can get rid of this 8 and this 8. If we look back at this column now, the only place the 6 can be is here. We can get rid of the 6. For this box, we're missing 1, 2, and 7. Or no. 1, 2, and 4. We've got 2 and 4 here, so this is our 1. 4 here, so 2, 4. That 2 makes this our 1, 8, 5, 1. And this 1 makes this our 5. The 1 and 5 means this is our 2 and 8. That 5 makes this our 1, 5. That 8 makes this our 5 and 8. And there we have it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have an awesome day, and I will see you back here again tomorrow with our next puzzle.